Good morning, YouTube. Well, I'm headed into Jamie's van build. The rest of us helping other people out, and ought to be interesting. We've been doing this a number of years, but I think my GPS was drunk this morning and tried to take me down some other road. I ended up in some mine site. It's not right. So let me show you what kind of road I'm driving on. Actually not bad. It's a little rough, but I get up to about 35, 40 miles an hour and it smooths out pretty nice. So let me shut you down here, and in a minute we'll be getting to where it's all gonna happen. Morning, YouTube. Well, today I'm at Jamie's van build site, and this is the day one. Basically people start filtering in, although there's quite a few people came in last night, so we're gonna see how this all goes. Well, I just talked to Jamie, and I'm doing fans. He's got me overall lead on them. We got 17 to put in, and we'll see how fast we can knock those off. And so there's some other fan jobs that are tied in with solar, so I'm gonna coordinate with those too, so gonna be busy. Okay, my new 25-foot flagpole with my dragon kite that's definitely going to need a little bit more wind to fly than what we got right now, but should help me be able to locate the bus from a distance. So this is the day one, and just to get an idea of how many people show up for this. There's people down in the lower area. So I think last I knew there was 175 jobs to get done. Some big, some small. Carpentry, solar installs. I'm in charge of help coordinating maxi air and fantastic fan installs. We only got about 18 of those, and we may end up doing some other stuff. This is what it looks like day one. We're just getting settled in, getting coordinated, and tomorrow we start working. So, and I'll have videos along the way for some of that. See you later, YouTube. What was it, like day 3 or 4? I don't know. Oh, and so I'm walking around here at the van build. I came across a very familiar looking schoolie. Now we've seen the Jack Austin in captivity in Colorado. Here's one in the wild.
What's going on, Steve?
Oh, just doing a walk around.
All right. Yeah.
So this is how Jack's pulled in with his bus. It sort of looks like a bizarre, weird leopard, but then he's finally revealing the color of the bus. So we need to put a siren on this now. It's not actually...
I need to get a Dalmatian.
There you go. Or one of them spangled cats that are spotted.
Yes, sir.
So it's, was it International Harvester Red?
Yep.
And then he did the wheels with the International Harvester Cream. So it's gonna look nice. And it's going on so fast with just these 3 guys. I don't feel any need to help.
You gotta stand out of the crowd a little bit.
So it's true. Somehow Jax has sucked me back in to doing this volunteer work that he's just going to profit on, because he's going to turn around and sell this for millions of dollars because it's so nice, and leave the rest of us in the dust. if you believe his haters. I personally don't, but somehow I ended up helping him paint the bus.
Well, out of the kindness of your heart, you're back over here.
Yep.
And
see, that's his side of the story. Somehow I don't know if I'm getting Chinese out of it this time.
No, definitely not. Maybe Mexican this time around.
Ooh, Mexican! I haven't had that since Denver when I helped him. We eat Chinese and Mexican all the time. Well, they're still going at it, but definitely transformed the look of this bus.
On the other side, in the box where your seat came in. It's all my paint stuff.
On the other side of the bus?
Other side of the bus.
Oh, in that.
So people want to know what I've been doing here at Jamie's van build is we're installing fans. So Greg's cutting a hole in the roof. Get down here. I think this is like the 17th one we put in this past week. And today we're going to install a Max Air fan, which is nice. They're low profile. This will open up. And what we do is we tarp off the inside to try to catch as much of the fine grind and grit and such. And then we'll get this fan in for this gentleman, and you have a nice cool van. So after cut the hole, wipe the edges with alcohol, put down butyl tape on the edge so we got a nice seal. Turn it around. Got it facing the wrong way. And there's just 4 screws holding these in. Max Air fans are a lot easier to put in because you got the cowling, and then put the fan in. Put those 4 screws in, it's anchored, we hook up the wiring, and we do the inside. Okay, so I got the wires all in, and Greg is up here putting die core around. Maybe you saw him do it. The die core is the self-leveling. Put that around, it's going to really seal it. The butyl tape's the first line of defense, that's the second, or the other way around. So I make the inner bezel extra big. His ceilings comes down 2 inches, so we're giving him 2.5. This will slide right up and make it pretty. We got an extra donation, and that's going to end up in my bus, because I'm missing one.